try to remember some of them in the 11th itself so that it becomes easy for you in the 12th class to carry it on. So remember, how do you remember the sequence? All neutral amino acids are 5 in number, and they can be memorized as GAVLI. So G stands for glycine, A stands for alanine, V stands for valine, L stands for leucine, and I stands for isoleucine. Now the next are the acidic one. Acidic amino acids are only 4, and how do you remember DANIC? How do you remember DANIC? So it is basically aspartic acid and its modified form asparagine, glutamic acid and its modified form glutamine, and the three alphabet symbols are ASP, ASN, GLU, GLN. So ASP is aspartic acid, ASN is asparagine, GLU is glutamic acid, and GLN is glutamine. So GAVLI is neutral, DANIC is acidic. Now the next one is basic amino acids. Basic amino acids are only 2, and you'll be learning about them, their importance in 12th class regarding DNA stability or stabilization. So they are lysine and arginine. So remember, don't get confused, glycine and this is lysine. Lysine symbol is LYS and arginine symbol is ARG. So single alphabet symbols are KR. So how can you remember? GAVLI, DANIC, KR. So because I'll be telling you a very easy way to remember these names. Now the next one is, now what is basic? I think you already know. Acidic is the one which carries an extra carboxylic group, and basic is the one which carries an extra amino group. According to these definitions we learned. Now the next type is the sulfur-containing amino acids. So those amino acids which carry in their R group a sulfur-containing compound would be called as the sulfur-containing amino acids, and they are only 2 in number, cysteine and methionine. Cysteine is symbolized as C or CYS, and methionine is symbolized as M or otherwise MET, methionine. In the same manner, alcohol containing, so those amino acids which carry in their R group alcohol or OH, they are only 2 in number. There is one more, that is repetition in the aromatic one. So books will always mention 2 there, serine and threonine. So serine is S, threonine is for T, and then the 3 alphabet symbol is SER and THR. So just you pay attention, all of them have the first 3 alphabets picked up except for these 2. Now the next one is phenylalanine and tyrosine. Symbol is same again, PHENTYR, and phenyl F, so it is F given here, and tyrosine because T has already been picked up for threonine, that's why scientists have picked up the next alphabet, that is Y, tyrosine. And these are aromatic. Now what is aromatic? Any amino acid which carries this type of ring is called as the aromatic cyclic chain carrying amino acids. So these are which carry a hexagonal ring of this type. And then the heterocyclic. Now what is heterocyclic? If a side group carries this type of ring, pentagonal ring, or maybe a combination of both, you call them as the heterocyclic type of ring, so non-cyclic type of ring. And they are 3 in number, and they are histidine, tryptophan and proline. Remember, proline sometimes is grouped into amino group also because it carries an NH there. Remember, it carries NH, it also carries heterocyclic ring, both combinations are there. So histidine is HIS, and tryptophan, because T is already picked up, so scientists have given it W, because Y, then Y, they have simply learned it like a Y and then W. And proline is for P or PRO, proline. Now remember, out of all these 20 amino acids, 8 amino acids are essential for human. How many are essential? In the last class we learned about fatty acids are essential, remember? Same way, now please remember, in the case of fatty acids, plant fatty acids are better compared to the animal fatty acids. But now you are going to learn is what? Animal proteins are better because they give you all essential amino acids, and plant protein is Not so good. So because the reason is they don't give you all the essential and semi-essential amino acids. That means that our human diet should be a mixture of both plants as well as animal. Otherwise, if we are a pure vegetarian, we should depend more on soya bean or various types of pulses. Reason, maximum plant proteins are deficient in essential or semi-essential amino acid. And what are essential? Which our body is not able to synthesize. So that's why we depend upon the outside. That means we depend upon our daily food to obtain them. And what is semi-essential amino acids? Those amino acids which our body is able to synthesize, but the rate of preparation is very slow. So we need them out from outside. I hope it's getting clear. Essential and semi-essential. So how many amino acids are essential for us? So I have put a star against them. Valine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan. These 8 amino acids are essential because human body is not able to synthesize them. So we need them to be taken daily in our diet, and plant proteins do not carry them in good amount, or some of them would be missing, but animal proteins always carry all the essential amino acids, even the semi-essential. Now what are semi-essential? For which our body is able to synthesize, but the rate of formation is less or slow process, and those are only 2 in number, and they are arginine and histidine. These 2 amino acids are semi-essential. Rest all 10 amino acids are non-essential for us. Let's understand their structure.